Welcome to Appuals, your go-to place for tech fixes, troubleshooting, and optimization guides. Hello everyone, it's Eamon from Appuals.com. Let's dive into today's main topic. Using a mouse makes navigating Windows a breeze, but sometimes the mouse pointer can disappear unexpectedly. This issue can pop up randomly, though it's more common after a Windows update or when a system frequently enters sleep mode. While you can still use your keyboard to navigate, it's not exactly the most convenient experience. There are a few reasons why this might happen. It could be due to a driver issue, either an outdated driver or an automatic update that's causing conflicts. In some cases, your mouse might have been accidentally disabled, or there could be a setting causing the pointer to lag or freeze. Luckily, this problem is usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through several solutions, so follow along until your mouse pointer is back. Quick tip. Before diving into complex fixes, check if your mouse was accidentally disabled using your keyboard. The F5 key is often used to turn off the pointer, but depending on your laptop brand, it might be Fn plus F5, Fn plus F9 for Asus, or Fn plus F7 for Acer. If those don't work, look closely at your keyboard for a key with a mouse icon and try pressing it alone or with the Fn key. Now, let's go through the fixes step by step. Method 1. Enabling the touchpad or mouse device. Since this is a laptop issue, the touchpad might be disabled. Laptops allow users to enable or disable the touchpad, and sometimes this happens unintentionally due to certain key combinations or settings changes. We'll enable it from the Windows settings to restore functionality. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Use the arrow keys to navigate to devices and press Enter. Scroll down using the Tab key and select Touchpad, or mouse and touchpad depending on your Windows version. Ensure the touchpad is enabled by pressing Tab until you highlight the toggle switch, then press spacebar to enable it. Restart your laptop and check if the cursor is back. Method 2. Mouse drivers. Sometimes the issue is with the drivers of the mouse. Your driver might automatically be updated to a newer version that isn't compatible, or it might have a bug, and in some cases it can even cause the pointer to move on its own. In that case, you should roll back the driver. On the other hand, if you haven't updated your drivers for a while, you should update them. Press Windows plus R, type devimgmt.msc, and press Enter. Use the arrow keys to navigate to mice and other pointing devices, then press the right arrow to expand it. Select your mouse device using the down arrow and press Shift plus F10 to open the context menu. Select Properties using the arrow keys and press Enter. Press the right arrow to go to the Driver tab. Press Tab until Update Driver is highlighted and press Enter. Select Search automatically for drivers and press Enter. If updating doesn't work and the Rollback Driver button isn't grayed out, select it by pressing the Tab key from the keyboard or arrow key and pressing Enter to roll back the driver. Follow the prompts to complete the process, then restart your computer to apply the changes. Method 3. Changing pointer settings. You can change a few settings of the pointer that will bring back the mouse pointer. This is mainly because the disappearance of the pointer might simply be the effect of your pointer settings. For example, the option Hide the pointer while typing hides the pointer for as long as you're typing, which might be confusing to a lot of people. This isn't a solution, but more of a precaution to check if the settings aren't causing the issue. Press Windows plus R, type main.cpl, and press Enter. Navigate to the Pointer Options tab using the arrow keys. Press Tab until you reach Hide Pointer while typing, then uncheck it using Enter. Enable Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key for easy tracking. Press Tab until Apply is highlighted, then press Enter. Restart your PC and check if the pointer is back. For a more in-depth tutorial, you can visit our website Appuals.com, where viewers can read a detailed article with screenshots. Most of the settings mentioned in this video should be enough to fix the issue, but sometimes the problem lies deeper. In such cases, you can find additional solutions on our website. The link is mentioned in the description. That's all for today's guide. Hopefully, one of these methods helped bring your mouse pointer back. If you found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe to Appuals for more tech troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one!